We have here a 5 elements yagi for the amateur band with the bandwidth of around 10 megahertz. Center frequency is around 144 megahertz. So let's check the antenna configuration and the frequency response. So each elements are attached to the boom. I put the numbers on the elements and on the boom so that you just need to put back the corresponding elements with their numbers on the boom. We have here Gamma Machiagi. This one is the mounting point. We have the U-bolt at the back. So this is an end mount antenna. We have a Gamma match matching system. We have the Gamma tube. The feed point is an SO239 connector. The coax is an RG8 coaxial cable attached to a PL259 connector, coupled it on the boom. We have the tuning stub. I have put the marking tapes. So you just need to put back the tuning stub in between those marking tapes. So let's check the frequency response of this antenna. This is now connected to the antenna analyzer, as we can see here. So our bandwidth is from 140 to 150 megahertz, as we can see at the bottom of the antenna analyzer. Our SWR is less than 2 is to 1 within the frequency band 140 to 150 megahertz. The center frequency, as we can see, is around 144 at 1.066 megahertz. So let's check the individual frequency. But first, let's check the antenna return loss, or S11. So as we can see here, we have minus 29 dB R as antenna reflection coefficient. We have the reactance at minus 2, VSWR at 1.1 or 1.0. Impedance is 47.45 ohms. Resistive load is 47.3 ohms, almost similar. So let's check the individual frequency. As we can see, 144 is 1.072. So it's around 144.1 on the lowest dip, 1.029. Let's check that on the frequency curve. So as we can see, the resistance changes to 48.3 ohms. So let's go back to VSWR. 1.04 or 1.03. Lowest dip on the curve, as we can see. So let's go back to individual frequency response. Let's move this to 0. Then let's go down. 143 is 1.78. 142 is 1.8. 141 is 1.9 or 1 or 2 is to 1. Let's go down. 140 is 2 is to 1. Let's go up again. 142 is 1.8. 143 is 1.8. 144 is 1.0. 145 is 1.4 or 1.5. 146 is 1.7. 147 is 1.8. 149 is 1.9. And 150 is 1.8, which is consistent with our frequency curve. as we can see. So this has a sharp frequency response on the amateur band, but very directive on around 144 or the amateur frequency band. So that's it. Thank you for watching. This one is ready for shipping.